Right, so we've got pilots in all positions, so we'll flip it over, centre up on the pilot on each side, and drill the correct size holes. Right, so this is a 16, and we've got it part way through on the other side. Index it with the pilot drill. Right. Not good for my collet. Okay, here, so I'm just getting this a little bit flat so that when I mill the other side it's sitting flat on the milling table. I don't want to surface grind it with great lumps on it. So what I'm doing here is spraying the bottom surface with some blue so that I can get the bottom surface reasonably flat, and then I'm going to mill a flat on the top of the centre of the curved surface. And this bottom surface is nowhere near flat, so we're just taking the high spots off with a file so that when I bolt it to the mill table it sits reasonably flat. We've got it within cooey of being reasonably flat. There are no obvious huge humps and hollows, so that when I sit it on the mill table and grind this side, it'll be reasonably parallel to that side, which is all we're looking for. Okay, so the reason why I went to a bit of trouble to file the bottom is so that when I machine the top surface, so we've got a flat from about there through to there, and I'm going to machine this surface now with reference to the bottom surface, and I don't want to get them so far out of parallel that when I surface grind the bottom I end up taking you know, 100th off that end and nothing off that end. So I know by the way that that hinges now that it's hinging about here and about there, whereas before it was hinging right in the centre. And so it's not wildly out, so we'll machine that, and then this will be our reference surface for surface grinding that side. So I'll machine that with the mill, then we'll surface grind the bottom with respect to that, then flip it over and surface grind this face with respect to the bottom. That's the plan anyway. Now, yes, I know the fact that I've got it clamped down here and here, there will be some distortion in that. And what I would like to do is glue it to the table or hold it much more lightly, because I know, because when I clamp these down I could feel it move. But there's not a lot I can do about that, and I just hope that when we put it in the on the magnetic chuck for grinding. So that's the end of my, those are the two ends of my top flat, 132, 140 there, so we're about 10 mils displaced in that direction. But that can't be helped because that's just the way the casting was made originally. Okay, so I'm just trying to get a handle on how much I'm going to have to grind off this surface. So we've done the machining on the bottom of, or the top should I say, of the workpiece, and that's reasonably flat. I mean, it's only been milled. So if we set that on the top of the bed of the mill. Now, unfortunately I don't have a surface plate big enough to get this on it, but so that's not too bad. It hinges okay, it's hinging about there now and about here, so that would attest that it's reasonably flat. If I run the dial gauge along the top, now this is a 100th of a millimetre, so each of the major divisions is 3/1000. It's actually 4/1000, not 3/1000. And if I bring it to 0 here, close enough to 0, so we're 3/1000 high there, back to 0 here, a bit of a hole just there, 3/1000 high, 6/1000 low,